Hey, what's up? It's Josh Shanley, and I want to share a story with you because I think it might help you. If you are struggling to make a decision or to get started with something, maybe you're thinking about joining my team, but you've just been hesitating for whatever reason. So I want to share with you a story that my pastor shared at church yesterday. He was talking about a time when he was a little kid, 5, 6, 7 years old, and he and his family were at the local swimming pool. And he made a decision that he was going to jump off the high dive, right? Most of you can picture that, the local high dive at your pool, right? And he said he remembered looking up at it and thinking, oh, that's not a big deal, right? It's not that high, no biggie. And so he went over and he climbed up. Incidentally, he didn't tell his parents, right? He didn't ask them if they thought he was ready. He just decided. So he climbs up to the top of the high dive and he thinks, wow, this is a lot higher than what I thought. And he gets frozen, right? He becomes paralyzed by the situation. But eventually, after a little bit of time passes and probably some goading from his friends down below, he jumped in. And two things he shared that I want to share with you is one, what allowed him to make the decision that it was safe to jump in was the fact that he felt confident and knew that hundreds and maybe even thousands of other people just like him had jumped in and hadn't died, right? Hadn't died. It was safe, right? It was okay. And the second thing I want to share with you is that the feeling that he shared that he had after doing it, after doing the thing that he was frightened of when faced with it, he felt this overwhelming sense of joy and freedom, right? Joy and freedom, because he took a leap of faith. He took a leap of faith, knowing that people before him had done it and had survived, but not knowing what the sense of joy and freedom that he would feel from taking that leap of faith, right? Some of you right now need to take a leap of faith in some aspect of your life. Some of you might need to take a leap of faith and join our team. Some of you are on our team and you need to take a leap of faith and get all in. And some of you are all in and you need to take a leap of faith and you need to get to Charlotte, our next event, right? Now, either way, I hope you got benefit from this. I hope that if you're struggling with a decision, that you're inspired by this to maybe take a leap of faith and know that there is some joy and freedom on the other side of that decision by taking that leap of faith. Do me a huge favor, like, share, and comment below. There's probably a link below as well if you're interested in joining our team. And I appreciate you. Thanks for checking this out. I'll be back with more good stuff like this real soon.